Hey everybody, it's Karen and Stephanie.
Hey everybody.
She's with me today. We are going to make for you, for ourselves, one of the most simple salads that we could make.
A delicious salad.
Delicious salad. She is slicing some beautiful, beautiful strawberries. Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah, get you some while you can, and they're in season. So this is how simple it's going to be, okay? We've got baby spinach. We like baby spinach. We're going to put it out here on our platter. However much you need for your family, okay? That's all we're going to do. And then we're going to scatter some strawberries around on this.
And sprinkle.
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 Scatter. To me, you put something like that, it's beautiful. But I love fruit on a salad.
And especially like during this hot month that we've had, that's just fantastic.
Absolutely. And something like this is just amazing. Mm-hmm. It's a perfect lunch or a perfect dinner. There are nights when Pop and I, and I'm sure you and Brandon, it's hot. We don't want a heavy meal. We don't want a hot meal. So something like this is perfect. And I surprised Pop one day. I had a spinach salad and I put strawberries on it. He says, that looks good. And he was amazed because he's always been one of these die-hard
cheese and meat and
meat and iceberg lettuce. But we have some maple glazed pecans. Stephanie says, what did you say they smell like?
Pancakes.
Pancakes. She said they smell like pecan pancakes. We're going to scatter some of those on there. Now, of course, you know, any nut allergies, don't use it.
Yeah.
But you can always substitute a crouton or something like that. And if you don't like pecans, you can do walnuts. Sunflower seeds would be an amazing crunch.
I love sunflower seeds.
But the best part of this, y'all, is going to be the goat cheese. So let me set that right there. Y'all look at that while we make the goat cheese. Stephanie was surprised when I mentioned it to her one day. She's like, why have I never heard of this or had it before? So
well, you've been keeping secrets. Fried goat cheese is something I need to know about.
That's right. So she's getting it today. So we have 2 egg whites that we've beaten up. And I bought 2 packages. I just could get the small ones of goat cheese, plain goat cheese. I bet herbed goat cheese would be good. Would be good. And she's got it sliced up. We put it in the freezer so it would slice easy. In, what is that? Not even half an inch.
Yeah, it's a quarter of an inch.
And so we've got some plain breadcrumbs. And so what I'm going to have her do, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in our skillet. And y'all know we love this skillet. And it gets hot quick. This does not take long at all to cook, y'all. Because you don't want your cheese to melt. You want it in there just long enough to brown these breadcrumbs. And we're using panko. I say breadcrumbs, but we're using the panko breadcrumbs. And I'm going to get you something to flip that cheese over with. And then, I didn't get it out. We're going to use a balsamic vinaigrette. Now, if you want to make your own, that would be absolutely amazing. You could use Italian dressing or just an oil and vinegar.
Oil and vinegar would go well with this.
I think so too, but I thought we like balsamic. I love a balsamic vinaigrette on my salads. So if I'm out and I have a salad, if it's available, that's what I'm going to have. So I'm just going to set that there. So you've got your skillet on.
Yep.
Okay, and we need a plate to put it on when you take it up. And I'll get that for her right here. So I'm gonna get on this side of her so y'all can see. And she's gonna hold. I hope you can see or tell what she's doing. She's just dipping, running the cheese through the egg white, and then coating it really well in the breadcrumbs. And she can hold one up for you and show you what it looks like. Kind of sticks to your fingers, don't it?
It gets sticky. And egg whites don't make it no better.
No, and this way the one hand dry, one hand wet never works for me.
It's just lightly coated.
Just lightly, and that's all you need. And I wouldn't do too many at a time because when you get them in that hot oil, they're going to start cooking and you're going to have to tin them pretty quickly and closely so that you don't want that cheese melting. I'm excited about this salad.
I am too. I feel like I've been missing out. You keeping cooking secrets.
Yeah, we're going to have to look at that one. Y'all can't see what's going on in that skillet. Let's see if we can pull them back to this other end of the skillet so they can see them. Yes, there you go. Can y'all see those? I am so excited. I did these several years ago. We had a group of us ladies would get together once a month and we'd set a theme a lot of time and what to cook. Everybody had a dish and we would meet at each other's houses, and I did this one time, and I can't remember what the theme was that day, and everybody just went nuts over it. I put it on a salad like this, and we just had the best time.
What's not to love about it?
Yeah, and once your breadcrumbs are browned, they're ready. They're ready to go. It's not like you're trying to cook the goat cheese. And see, having that cheese as cold as we did, and she's taking them up fairly quickly, it doesn't have time to melt. Isn't that beautiful? You want them to cool down a little bit for a minute before you put them on your salad because it's going to wilt the spinach.
Well, and the good thing about it was you mostly froze it, so it held together really well.
Yes, and it allowed her to cut it.
Yeah, it cut easier.
Yes. So, I'm going to help her.
I appreciate it.
She's doing a beautiful job. See, now this is something I think Parker would like.
Parker Jones would be all over this.
Don't you know? You think Brandon would like it?
Yes, Brandon would love it.
Brandon was always my more adventurous eater.
Yes, he is.
Okay, so we're done with that, right? I'm going to wash my hands. I am ready for this salad.
And it's taken no time.
No, you see how quick it was to, you're putting that in on a plate, scattering. It took you, 2 minutes at the most to slice up those strawberries. And the pecans were prepackaged. So it's not hard work cooking and feeding your family. And I'm going to go out and say this is basically one of those no-cook meals.
Yeah.
Because this is nothing cooking. I put these in there since you've already got your hands cleaned. There you go. And if your oil gets too hot, like she just did.
Cut it down.
Cut it down. But she added some more oil in that pan. And that will help cool it down too. So, there we go. And we're going to have us a nice salad to eat.
It's going to be nice.
And while you're finishing that up, I'm going to get us a plate to make us a salad on. What do you think?
Do we need a plate?
Huh?
I said we do need a plate.
I'm going to get rid of some of that stuff. So,
can y'all see what we're doing?
I want you to see this cheese that she cooked up. Hold that up there for them. Looky there. Isn't that beautiful? You ready to make a salad?
Yep.
Let me get us some tongs. And we can help ourselves. Or
you can help me.
I can help you. How about that? Now, isn't that beautiful
Yes,
on your
that's
plate?
pretty.
Looky there.
That's good.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. And I'm going to help myself. Now, if you want to, I chose not to, you can, say you're serving it for a gathering, take your fried cheese and put it around on your platter. And it's me and Stephanie today, so we're just doing it this way. I want to hit another pecan. And so you could just nestle it right in on the platter. And that's how I served it at our gathering that day. Looky there. I want some of this vinaigrette on my salad.
I do too.
You ready for some?
Yep.
Now, put as much or as little as you want. I don't like a heavily dressed salad. A lot of people do. So, that's your choice of how much. I don't want salt and pepper on it. I've got the vinaigrette. We've got the goat cheese, which we know is salty. So, but I don't want to take away from the beauty of these strawberries and these pecans. Stephanie. What do you think about that?
Oh, fried goat cheese.
Well, we have fried mozzarella sticks. You can do.
I would have never thought about that.
Why not do it with goat cheese?
I would have never.
Easy peasy,
and
simple.
And then the strawberry with that.
That's sweet. And the goat cheese to me had just a slight twang to it. And then that strawberry with it, they balance each other so well. Oh my goodness. I've got to have one more bite. And then we've got to go eat our salad. These pork schnitzels beside it, that's going to be amazing.
Yep. That's that's a meal.
That is a meal. All right, we're going to go enjoy our salads. And I think this pork is so big, we might just have one.
Yes.
So we're going to have our lunch. But I hope you will try these recipes. And I hope you'll enjoy it, especially right now when you can get some really good fresh strawberries. It's the time of year for them. So I would get them now. And the baby spinach coming in. Oh my gosh, it's just... And you don't have to use baby spinach. You could use whatever you want.
Kale, you could use what you want.
Oh, wouldn't kale be good?
Yes.
So, but please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And come back and see us real soon. Thanks, everybody.